If you think you're going to get a slap on the wrist for a DUI, think again. Because the biggest consequence, besides the potential jail time and fines, is going to be losing your driver's license. But how long will the suspension last? A few months? A year? Longer? Well, it's not a simple answer because your potential driver's license suspension can depend on multiple factors, and in many cases, we can fight it. Stick with me for this video. I'm breaking down everything that you need to know about DUI driver's license suspensions and what you can do to fight them. I'm Andrew Beasley, your Tennessee criminal defense attorney, and I help people that have been accused of crimes fight back. And if you or someone you know is facing a DUI charge, don't just accept the suspension because you might have options to fight it. So let's first discuss what the law says about license suspensions for a DUI conviction. The length of your suspension is going to depend on 4 key factors. First factor is, where were you arrested? Every state has different DUI laws, and a first-time DUI in one state might get you a 3-month suspension, while another state automatically takes your license for a year. And so what the law says in Tennessee is that even a first offense DUI, upon conviction, will receive a 1-year driver's license suspension. But that's if you don't fight it. Now, the second factor that can affect how long your driver's license could be suspended for DUI is whether you are a first-time offender or a repeat offender. For a first-time offense, you might only be looking at a 1-year license suspension with the ability to get a restricted driver's license. However, if you are a repeat DUI offender, the second offense carries a 2-year license suspension, and a third offense carries a 6-year license suspension. The more convictions you have for DUI, the worse the consequences on your driver's license will be. That's why it's best to fight the DUI conviction altogether. Now, the third factor that can contribute to the length of a driver's license suspension is your blood alcohol concentration, or BAC level. So while in some states the driver's license suspension for DUI is longer based on a higher BAC level, here in Tennessee the BAC level generally affects the jail time, not the length of the driver's license suspension. And the last factor is, were there any aggravating factors? Was there excessive speed? Was there a crash? Were there children in the car? Were there serious injuries? These are all factors that can increase the penalties for a DUI offense. In many states, the DMV will automatically suspend your license well before you ever go to court. But here in Tennessee, they may require you to install an ignition interlock device on your car that you have to blow into to get it to start while your case is pending, but they will not officially suspend or revoke your driver's license until you have actually been convicted in court. This is why it is so essential in the state of Tennessee to get proper defense for your DUI charges. So now that you know how licenses can get suspended in Tennessee, let's talk about how to get them back. Look, getting charged with DUI is not the end of the road, but it is on you to get the proper representation to fight back. If you or someone you know is facing a DUI charge or worried about license suspension, don't wait. You may have legal options. So visit my website or give us a call and schedule a free consultation with our firm to go over your case today. We'll take a thorough look at your case, look at all your options, and look at the best way to protect your ability to drive. Go ahead and schedule your consultation now.